Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux. Tremendous day once again today, and let's look for the top trade ideas for tomorrow. So I'll start with the Bank Nifty. Yesterday we spoke about Bank Nifty having a zone of resistance over here, which we marked with the gray color, and then we actually checked that the Fibonacci also, the 50% retracement was successfully done on the yesterday's candle. This is daily chart, and then we actually went back on 15 minutes to check that how we can plan our trades basically. So we planned our trade that okay, if there is a gap up opening over here anywhere above 36,000 38,600 odd levels, we would be looking for a buying opportunity with about 50 points stop loss and 1:2 minimum risk to reward ratio. I also mentioned that there is a good probability of Bank Nifty to go and check for this 61.8% retracement, which exactly happened in the morning session. So we got a pretty decent trade over here in the morning. Let's look for what is there for us tomorrow actually. So if we go back and check on the daily time frame, if you see 61.8% retracement on Fibonacci has been tested, and this has been proved as a resistance, valid resistance. Bank Nifty couldn't really go beyond this retracement level and sustain above. So there tomorrow we will be actually looking for a breakout from this box basically. Okay, so we need to make sure that this range is breaking either on the upside, then only a buying opportunity will be there in Bank Nifty. So mark this level 38,850, 38,850 odd level is something Bank Nifty has to break above and sustain for 5 minutes. Then we will be looking for a buying opportunity near about these levels only. Again, keep a 50-point stop loss, and 1:2 risk to reward ratio will be your favorable risk to reward ratio, which you can look for basically. All right. What can happen on the downside? Again, as I mentioned that on the daily, we actually could not break above the resistance today. One. The second part is if you see the candle itself, it is a typical doji. Okay, so complete indecisiveness over here on Bank Nifty. For a short side trade, there is a good possibility that we might get an opportunity tomorrow being expiry as well. So this trend line from below is still respected today, tested once, and Bank Nifty bounced back exactly from here. So very valid proper trend line which you can still look for. Breaking below this will be a sign of weakness. So break below this trend line will be a sign of weakness. And another important aspect over here, if you see, this zone is the virgin gap for today, actually from today. All right, so this is the zone, light green mark over here. This is the zone which is the virgin gap which could not be filled back yet. So tomorrow my short level plan will be below this trend line. I'll take an entry. All right, below this trend line, I'll take an entry, and if today's low breaks below, this will be a double confirmation. Okay, so then we will be more convinced that Bank Nifty will for sure try to fill this gap and come up till this point, which will be 38,500 round figure level basically. Once again, 38,500 will be a strong support area basis on the OI analysis also. So this is a round figure. Very well, Bank Nifty can test it once tomorrow. So let it break below the trend line. Let the price action confirm that yes, it is sustaining below this trend line for about 5 minutes minimum. Then look for a shorting opportunity with about 50 points stop loss. The first target will be 1:2. Then the next one will be, you can expect 38,500 odd levels coming on Bank Nifty tomorrow. So completely indecisive candle today. As I mentioned that there is this vertical recovery happened in Bank Nifty from last 10 trading sessions continuously. So there will be some momentum will get exhausted, and we need to be careful with aggressive buying until and unless it breaks above this 68.1% retracement and sustain. Do not look for an buying opportunity on intraday basis in Bank Nifty tomorrow. All right, coming back to the Nifty once again, if you see this key decision point over here, So Nifty tried to test and break above this 18,210 odd levels. I mentioned this in my student group as well today, that let it sustain above 18,210 for some time, and then we will be convinced that there will be still more bull power basically. As today, what we planned yesterday is that this trend line coming from daily. So this was head and shoulder. This was the trend line being respected earlier. Now this trend line should act as a resistance, which today with this gap up opening has been broken up above side. And then with above this trend line, we have mentioned that okay, you can look for a buying opportunity with about 30 points stop loss, 1:2 risk to reward ratio, which again Bank Nifty respected beautifully today. Nifty respected beautifully today. For tomorrow, do not look for any buying opportunity until and unless Nifty breaks above today's high. So first point of conviction will be breaking above 18,210. Second point of conviction, let it sustain above 18,230 odd levels. Let it sustain above these levels. Then only we will be looking for further buying opportunity. As I mentioned, just like Bank Nifty, Nifty also seems to be exhausted. Couldn't really close above this key decision point. So this is another important aspect, that it could not really close above the key decision point. Once again, even in Nifty, this is a virgin gap right now. This is the virgin gap right now. If you see, there is this intraday trend line on 15-minute time frame as well. So shorting side, let Nifty break below this trend line about 18,170 odd levels. It should break below that. We will look for a shorting opportunity. Once again, your first target would be this trend line and the high of this gap over here, which is the day low as well. So your first target would be 18,125 from about 75 odd levels basically. So what we are looking for, a 50 pointer trade over here. Again, keep a 30 point stop loss, not more than that. If we moves into this range, there will be further selling pressure, and we can even check for 18,060 odd levels as well tomorrow. Being the expiry, I can expect good volatility, and these levels can still be achieved. There will be good tremendous selling pressure if it opens anywhere gap down below this trend line. So little bit careful with the buying opportunities basically. Let it break above the day high today. Let it sustain there, 18,230 odd levels. Let it sustain there, and then we will be only looking for an buying opportunity. Coming to the stocks now, some of the high probability stocks. My first pick for tomorrow is Chambal Fertilizers. Very convincingly, it has broken the previous swing high over here, trading at all-time high right now. Let's move on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the zone. Above this, it should open and sustain 451. Between 451 to 454 is the area where I will look for an buying opportunity in Chambal Fertilizers tomorrow. So let it open and let it prove its strength is going to be continued. There is huge volume over here. There's tremendous volume over here. So I expect it to continue its upwards momentum. If you are entering between 451 to 454, your stop loss should be somewhere around 448 odd levels. So about 4.5 to 5 rupees max stop loss, which again fits into our 1% stop loss criteria. 1:1 risk to reward ratio is what you should be looking for to begin with, and then you can trail your trade. Second stock for tomorrow is Mahindra & Mahindra. Again, very convincingly with pretty decent volumes. Today it actually broke above its previous resistance zone over here. This was the swing high. From there it crashed, and if you see this area, this is a proven zone over here from past. Okay, so this was a resistance over here, then it becomes support, then it actually broke below. Since then it could not really sustain above these levels of 885. Okay, so to be a safe trader, 886 rupees will be my entry. Let it break this gray zone at 86 about. You should be looking for an entry over here with about 876 max as an stop loss. It is slightly above than 1%, about 10 rupees stop loss is what we are looking for with same target minimum. So 1:1 risk to reward ratio, 10 rupees will be your maximum stop loss and 10 rupees will be minimum your profit target you should be looking for. Then further you can trail. Once again, very decent move today. Consistently it has been bought for the entire day. I expect it to do this flat top breakout. Okay, so this is a flag like structure. If you see, this is a typical classic price action. So this has become a flat top. Let it break above this range, let it sustain around 885 886 area, and we will look for a buying opportunity. No shorting in Mahindra and Mahindra, no shorting in Chambal Fertilizers as well. My third pick is Oil India. Okay, now this is an interesting setup over here. If you see, Oil India is kind of trying to reach its previous resistance zone over here. So here you can look for buy as well as sell setup. Okay, moving back onto the 15-minute time frame, let it break above this gray zone. So 223.5 will be my entry level for buying. Today, if you see, the entire day has been spent in a very tremendous consolidation, very good consolidation over here. After this gap up opening, it sustained for the entire day with some good price action. I expect it to break out. 223.5 will be my entry in Oil India. 2 rupees stop loss, not more than that. 1:1 minimum risk to reward ratio. Then trail your trade. Now, what can happen on the downside? So if you see, this is the zone which has been respected for the entire day, 218.85. So 218.8 would be my short entry. 218.8 will be my short entry in Oil India. If it breaks below this level, there is good possibility to again fill this gap which has been formed today. So it can very well test up to this level. All right, which makes it a good five points trade basically. Keep 2 rupees stop loss. It is giving you 1:2 risk to reward ratio over here. 1:1 you should be minimum looking for, and then thereon you can trail up till 213.5. So this will be my setup for Oil India. Next stock for tomorrow is Aditya Birla Fashion Limited. Once again, pretty hard it is trying to break above its all-time high. So no need to be hurried. Let it break. There's a pretty good volume over here on the daily chart as well. So let's move on 15-minute time frame and let's look for breaking above 308. 308 will be my entry. We will be keeping a stop loss of about 303 max. So it will be like 5 points stop loss. Once again, 1.5% is about what we are looking for as a stop loss. Minimum 5 rupees will be your profit target for entry above 308. So let it prove its strength. Let it break above this zone over here, and then only you'll be taking the entry. Once again, on daily it is expected to retest its resistance zone over here and break above. Pretty strong setup over here as well, but let it prove in the live market, and then only you'll be looking for a buying opportunity in Aditya Birla Fashion Limited. That's much for today. If you like the content, please like the video, please share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you get all my notifications whenever there are new videos coming. Thank you all for watching. Follow me on the Telegram. Link is given to the description for live updates in the markets. Thank you for today. Let's see once again tomorrow. Bye-bye.